Hey YouTube, hello, thanks for tuning in. It's Niels from GMC Mini Truck. Today I'm gonna tackle, it's speaker grill, which I am going to coat with some speaker cloth. So let's dive in. Bit of super glue. So this side is done. Now I'm gonna try this one. It's a glue. So apply the little bead here, then just fold it over without creases. Lay it flat and press it down. It's called secondenlijm, or it will harden in a second. That's not completely true though. So it takes at least a minute before it tacks, and that's fine. Just be aware your fingers don't stick. Okay, this stuff for this particular application works better than this stuff, so I will continue with this one, because this is already tacked down. So to give you a rough idea how it's going to look like, just by pulling this a little bit tight, get a nice flat surface. So next step is put a little bead here, fold it over. And there you have it. So the grill, as you would have seen in the previous video, butchered everything out. Now applied some speaker cloth, which is apparently acoustically transparent, so it will not block any sounds or interfere with the emitted sound from the speaker. But it's a nice fresh cloth. So now let's install it. So these hooks slide in there, and then maybe in the future I will use the screw holes. Of course it's a little bit tighter due to the fabric. You have to figure something out to keep this down, but of course it's the OEM part. Fitment wise, I must say it's not bad. Okay, both grills installed. Really happy with the outcome. Exactly what I was hoping for. The only thing I still have to do is reinforce that little part, what you see here right now. But besides that, I think it's a done deal for the dash speakers. So next thing is the doors, and get on with the whole audio system. But that's something for upcoming videos. That wraps up this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and then I will see you on the next one. Toodaloo, bye bye. Doei.